how to go to the Facebook monetization page for stars and in-stream ads activation on your Facebook account. Now first you need to log into your Facebook account. Okay, so go into Facebook and click on your page at the top corner. So click on your account profile and then click on your Facebook page. Now on the left hand side menu where it says manage page, you go down and then click on Meta Business Suite. Next, on the left hand side menu, we go down and click on All Tools. And from this menu, we go down and click on Monetization. And from here, you can set up stars and you can set up in streams ads. So click on stars and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.